The next elementary school curriculum. Curriculum is overall activities of an institution. Important factor of curriculum is to help to achieve the objectives. Responsible for the curriculum planning and development in Pakistan is curriculum wing. Mini culture is classroom. Which domain of objective is not being evaluated through our present system of examination effective. Which are the following is the nature of curriculum. Conservative, critical or creative. Curriculum provides guidance for students. Psychological foundation plays its role in the development of curriculum, keeping in view the students' interest, students' needs, students' capabilities. Syllabus is a part of curriculum. Benefits of AV aids are that they create interest, reduce verbalization, stimulate self-activity. Sorry. Curriculum presents instructional material is stated by Smith. Relationship of subjects at different level is called vertical organization. An outline of the topics of a subject to the covered in specific time is called syllabus. Curriculum organization used for different concepts at the same class is called is horizontal. Category of audio visual aids is television, radio, tape recorder. Major concerns of curriculum is change in individual behavior. Importance of curriculum in the system of education is just like a constitution in a country. Curriculum is supposed to achieve the objectives and be organized by the school. Curriculum reflects the culture of society. Curriculum is interpreted to mean all the organized courses, activities, and experiences which students have under the direction of the school, whether in the classroom or not, is said by Helda Taba. Learning means change in behavior. The outline of the contents is syllabus. Component of curriculum is evaluation, objective, and teaching strategies. Models of curriculum presently being used at any stage in Pakistan is activity, subject, and integrated. Selection of the particular design is influenced by foundation. The committee responsible to finalize the curriculum up to secondary level in Pakistan is National Curriculum Committee. Intelligence level of gifted student is 140 and above. The mirror of the society is school. Types of individual differences are physical, mental, and emotional. A curriculum is the blueprint or plan of the school that includes experiences for the learner. If two or more methods are mixed up for the teaching, and teaching method will be known as eclectic method. Scope of curriculum include program of studies, program of activities, program of guidance. Concise, the Concise Oxford Dictionary defines curriculum as a chariot race course. The model of curriculum could not move above elementary stage is activity curriculum. Detailed contents of the subject for a class is called a course. A curriculum is the sum total of a school's efforts to influence child's behavior. परसेंटेज ऑफ नॉलेज गेन थ्रू ऑब्जर्वेशन या विजन यानी देख कर जो नॉलेज हासिल होता है वो 75% है 75. The base on which the subject activities and experience are planned is called design. Keep in view the types of students in a class are generally grouped as below average, average, above average. Logical order of content organization is to arrange the content according to logical sequence. Summative evaluation takes place at the end. Education policy that gave equal weightage to general science and technical education was 1972. In planning and implementing curricula, school makes its selection from culture. Without suitable curriculum, aims of education cannot be achieved. How many basic components of curriculum have? 4. Curriculum development refers to the total process of curriculum designing, implementing, evaluating. Which one is not the component of curriculum design? Effectiveness of curriculum is determined by evaluation. Alignment of the elements of curriculum can be defined as curriculum design. The main aim of education in Pakistan at primary and school level is attainment of students' abilities. Model of behavioral objectives of curriculum evaluation was presented by Tyler. Term core curriculum is sometimes simply called core. Method used to evaluate the curriculum is फॉर्मेटिव, समेटिव और डायग्नोस्टिक वैल्यूएशन, ये तीनों पाए जाते हैं. formative evaluation, summative evaluation, diagnostic evaluation. One way of finding out what is going on in a classroom is observation. When, what, why, and how to teach in them is the main task of educational psychology. The forces that affect the development of curriculum are called foundations of curriculum. Philosophy and curriculum are concerned with the questions of what is the purpose of life. Philosophical foundation of curriculum is concerned with ideas. Student needs and interests are important in psychological foundation. Psychological foundations of a curriculum help the curriculum developers to understand the nature of learners. Sociological foundations are concerned with society. Subject-centered designs revolve around content. Areas या sources of information for psychological foundations are ये सारे हैं. Student characteristics, learning process, teaching method. Nature of elements of curriculum and pattern of their organization is curriculum design. A framework or plan of action for preparing a curriculum is curriculum design. Knowledge is compartmentalized in subject-centered curriculum. Prior planning is characteristic of subject-centered curriculum. Explanatory methods are used in subject-centered curriculum. Broad field curriculum is a modification of subject-centered curriculum. Rote learning is a merit of subject-centered curriculum. Teacher training is less emphasized in subject-centered curriculum. Curriculum based on thinking of John Dewey is activity-centered curriculum. Characteristics of activity-centered curriculum are ये तीनों ही हैं. Student does training of practical work, overall development. Prior planning is not possible in activity-centered curriculum. Curriculum emphasized for primary classes is integrated curriculum. Development of curriculum at higher level and its application at different level is centralized. Purpose of integrated curriculum is decrease in number of books. The relationship of different concepts at one level is horizontal organization. Factor affecting curriculum development is economical factor, sociological factor, scientific factor. Problem of curriculum development in Pakistan is ये सारे हैं. Lack of financial resources, less number of teachers, insufficient building of school, which is not concerned with teacher training. University of Education, IER, DSD and बाईस. इनसे 22 जो है वो ट्रेनिंग से रिलेटेड नहीं है. एग्जामिनेशंस आर कंडक्टेड बाय यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन. इसमें 22 जो है वो एग्जामिनेशन कंडक्ट करता है एट हायर सेकेंडरी लेवल. University of Education was established in 2002. Allahabad Open University was established in 1974. System of distance education is observed in Allahabad Open University. The major function of Punjab Textbook Board printing books. Making value judgment about curriculum is curriculum evaluation. The evaluation used to improve the contents during curriculum development is formative evaluation. Evaluation used to improve the contents after curriculum development is summative evaluation. Evaluation used to find out deficiencies and difficulties in curriculum is diagnostic evaluation. Repetition of concepts of same level in two consecutive classes lacks the quality of vertical organization. Hilda Tibas is an expert in the field of curriculum development. Major purpose of co-curricular activities is to help students achieve a well-adjusted personality. Curriculum improvement should be a continuous process, which is not the perspective of education included in your syllabus. Critical. Curriculum is a Latin origin word means runway. 5 stages of awareness, interest, evaluation, trial, and adoption are for curriculum change. The highest in rank in Ministry of Education is Secretary. Hilda Table's curriculum model have 5 stages. The most important component of lesson plan is objectives. Specific objectives are synonymous to behavioral objectives. To select subject matter, one should consider students' IQ, यानी intelligence. The implementer for curriculum is educational institutions. Under examination reforms 2002, the weightage allocated to first two levels of cognitive domain is 50%. Source of achieving one's objective is action. School curriculum is defined as experiences organized by school. The part of curriculum designed to meet the needs of all students is general education. Curriculum construction should be the work of administrators, teachers, and curriculum experts and pupils. What the child studies in a class is decided by a teacher. At elementary level, modern educators are in favor of integrated curriculum. Curriculum effectiveness is determined by student interest. High school curriculum neglect individual needs. Present trend in curriculum development is to place emphasis on flexibility in content and method, logical experience. ये दोनों. Curriculum is a word of Latin. Who said curriculum is a written plan? Smith, Stanley, and Shore. ये ट्रिपल एस ने कहा था. Curriculum design is a statement which identifies the elements of curriculum. Hilda Tabor believed that curriculum should be designed by teachers. The factors that affect the development of curriculum are called foundation of curriculum. Students' are overall development is emphasized in learner-centered. Making value judgment about curriculum is curriculum valuation. Foundation of curriculum are all of the above. ये सारी historical, psychological, economical. At school level, curriculum is developed by provincial government. Psychomotor domain deals with practical skills. Moral development of a learner is linked to affective development. In experimental procedure of the content selection, the content is selected by analysis of experiences. In the subject-centered curriculum, the important element is division of knowledge. The objectives and structure of knowledge is determined by philosophers. Cognitive development is a process of mental development. All those activities which are utilized by the schools in order to obtain their objective is called curriculum. The list of topics and subtopics given in a subject is called syllabus. Content includes all of the above: knowledge, skill, attitude, and values. Process in which we decide how well we have done whatever we were trying to do is called evaluation. Who is not the curriculum expert? L.R. Gray नहीं है. हिल्डा टेबा, S.S. शोर और मरे ब्रेंटी जो है ये curriculum expert है. Cognitive theory is presented by John Piaget. Goals provide guidance in the selection of objectives. Technical teaching and learning combines to make a curriculum. School-wide outcomes may be classified under goals. The curriculum is affected by the following factors: government, religious group, ideology of the nation, all of the ये तीनों पाए जाते हैं. The term refer to the total process of designing, implementing, and evaluating curriculum development. Curriculum decision affected by aims of education, structure of knowledge, worthwhileness of knowledge. Worthwhileness of knowledge. Sorry. Which of the evidences are used in formative evaluation of curriculum? Observational, judgmental, or student learning. The nature of aims indicates that they are basically philosophical. What type of curriculum is the syllabus written? A school curriculum is best defined as the organized pupil experiences set by the school. The major purpose of co-curricular activities is to help students achieve a well-adjusted personality. The most important element in instruction is the relationship between teacher and student. A program of activities which is designed to attain certain educational ends or objectives is called educational program. According to Bloom's taxonomy of educational objectives, the psychomotor domain deals with manipulative and motor skills, manipulating and thinking. The curriculum content should satisfy the criteria of all of the above: balance and breadth and depth, interest and learnability, validity and significance. Curriculum development and revision is a continuous process. Curriculum content is selected by applying as many criteria as possible at a time. The most important factor which resists the curriculum change is the teachers. Textbook boards in all over the four provinces are responsible for publishing books. The planning source which helps teachers in equation is called curriculum guide. Values and beliefs which are held by the entire population are called universals. Type of curriculum which holds a set of common learnings is called core curriculum. Basic objectives of the curriculum is adjustment in society. What provide guideline for selection of content objectives? Curriculum which reduces the number of books is integrated curriculum. The process in which the strengths and weakness of the curriculum are identified is called evaluation. System of distance education is observed in Lamar colony.